Hey, Highland High School digital art students. This is another video that just gets you started with one of these hands-on tutorials in Illustrator. So after you watch the video on it, you're going to click Begin in Tutorial in Illustrator. And what that initiates is Illustrator will launch, and it takes a little time. So either it's going to look like this, or this window comes up in the background, something like that. So just, I know it can be a little confusing, but give it a little time and look down here. And you may see it loading like this for a while. Don't worry, give it some time. Be patient. So once this comes up, remember you can move windows around by grabbing this top bar, and you're going to start the tutorial. And then it comes up and you get some steps here, and read them carefully. Don't just click next, 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 next. It'll just end the tutorial. You've got to kind of go through it step by step. And so you can see the designs here, and they've got a complementary design, which means that you've got complementary colors. Yellow and purple are directly across from each other, and so when you combine them, they kind of cancel each other out, but they also look really good together. Analogous, this is all in the greens and yellows, you can see that. And then triadic, you're doing the RGB here in this case. Now notice down here they have broken the tones, meaning what you did yesterday, you desaturated some, so you're making them a little more complex and not so just what you would call chromatic. Okay. Um, so follow the steps, and you'll notice your best friend is the selection tool. So I can come here and it selects all of this design, and then I can go to the eyedropper tool and, in this case, pick a yellow, right? And then background, eyedropper tool, pick a purple, right? So you'll be going across here. And so my challenge to you is, and I think only a few people will figure this out, is how to modify these shapes here that go from kind of have a gradient in them. I'll give you a hint, it's not a gradient. You'll be using the blender tool, the blend tool to adjust these. So give it a try. Thank you for learning.